We come to number 9, and that is der Bindestrich. Der Bindestrich. Okay? And Bindestrich is actually talking about hyphen. And I will just show it like this. Hyphen. And in German, Bindestrich, you want to say my first name and second name. This is what you make use of. Now I write it here. Okay, now we have what we call, which we have done, Vorname and Nachname. Vorname is your own name, Nachname is your father's name, and then you want to talk about it too. You want to say Vorname and Nachname. Instead of repeating this Name, you don't need to repeat it. You just write Vor, and then you have Bindestrich und Nachname. Vor und Nachname. Yeah? Then we come to the next one, der Apostroph. Der Apostroph. Of course, in English, it sounds so much like English. Apostrophe. Yeah? Apostrophe. I represent it with this. That is how it is. Apostrophe. Okay? We have a good example in this common phrase, wie geht's? Wie geht's? Yeah? You see the apostrophe and S. Wie geht's? How are you? Wie geht's? Yeah? How are you? We come to the next one, der Schrägstrich. Der Schrägstrich. If you look at it very well, schräg means something that is not straight, something that is bending. So Schrägstrich can be represented like this. And if I want to write some words and I just want to kind of separate them, I can use Schrägstrich. For instance, house, Auto, Tisch. Yeah? Just to represent a separation between the word. So that is Schrägstrich. And we call Schrägstrich, we call it a slash, just a slash. And then we come to the next one, that's number 12, die Klammer. Say it after me, die Klammer. Klammer is actually bracket. Interestingly, in German, when somebody is dictating to you and he wants to say, put it in bracket, and he's saying, maybe he's saying a word and he wants to say, there's a bracket there, we say, Klammer auf, and then Klammer zu. Okay? For instance, I write, Klammer auf, Klammer zu. Okay? Ich bin Maler, ich bin Malerin. Now, you want to say, okay, I am a male painter. And then you still put this one there so that if it is, this is the feminine option. So we have Klammer, die Klammer, Klammer auf, and then you put the IN and then Klammer zu. Also, this Klammer is also very important. We can say, das Wort steht in Klammern. Let me use this one. Das Wort steht in Klammern. Das Wort steht in Klammern. What's the meaning of that? This one, of course, it's a part of the word. But if I have a word like Maler, just as I have up there, and then I put everything in brackets, I can use this sentence, das Wort, this word, the word is in brackets. Das Wort steht in Klammern. Of course, you remember this word, this verb, it comes from the verb stehen, to be, actually, to stand. Okay, to stand. But this one is saying this word is standing inside bracket. Das Wort steht in Klammern. So these are just the necessary punctuation marks that we should know and that we come across on a regular basis. And as I told you, when you are using them, of course, when you are writing, you have to be putting them. Let's know the gender, but generally speaking, we don't need the gender except we're meeting in text, and we need to remember if it is masculine or feminine. The other things that is good for us to know under, they are not really punctuation marks, but they are things we should know. Those are things that if something is written in bold, how do you say it? You're writing a sentence, and then you get to a point you want something to be written in bold letter. And we call that one bold. In bold letter, we call it fet. Fet. So, and then if a word is to be in italics, a word to be in italics, we say it should be cursive. Cursive. These are not too important for now, but it's good we know them so that at least you'll be able to know these are the things, the way things are done. And sometimes you want a word to be underlined. Ish. Das Wort. Now, this is the verb to underline. Okay? And what am I doing now? What I've written there is what I'm doing. Ich unterstreiche die Wörter. Ich unterstreiche die Wörter. Ich unterstreiche die Wörter. Unterstreiche, yeah? Unterstreichen, of course, the original form of the verb is with en, to underline. So we have fet, cursive, unterstreichen. Yeah? Fet, cursive, unterstreichen. So let's master that with the with the punctuation marks, and with that we have been able to master the punctuation mark. Okay, but before we go, wir werden eine kleine Übungen machen, oder sagen wir mal, eine kleine Übung machen wir zu prüfen, ob wir das Thema richtig verstanden haben. We're going to do a little exercise to prove if we actually understand the exercise. Okay, bis gleich.